Hi everyone, welcome to our third and final video. Sorry for taking so much time to go into video number 3, but it's a lot to cover and I know it's really important for you to have help navigating around the course. So what I want to show you to finish up for the final video is to just kind of summarize again each week. Make sure you log on, go to lecture material and see the content that will be provided each week for you to read and watch videos of. Participate in the discussion board by Thursday night of each week, and then respond to a classmate by the following Monday and complete your unit assignment by the following Monday. If you can keep up with that schedule each week, you will be very successful in this course. If you've had a chance to take a look at the syllabus, you'll see that we also have both a midterm and final. I call them project/exams, but they're just a way for you to summarize all of the information that you've learned for the first half of the semester. And then the second half of the semester, the final project/exam is not cumulative for the whole semester. It'll focus on the second half of the information that we've learned. The midterm will be during the first half. I will provide more information about that as we get closer. So take a look at your syllabus, which is again here, and the syllabus really will just break down for you the topics for each week and what will be covered each week and when the due dates are, just so you can follow along with that accordingly. If you have any questions during the regular semester, because we all have questions, if you have a question about the content, you have a question about Middlesex, about the paralegal studies program, I mentioned before, I'm here for you. So the best way to get in touch with me is to email me. The second best way is to post a question here under I Need Help. I've created one additional completely optional discussion board where you can post a question. What's nice about this discussion board is that your classmates do see it, and sometimes they're able to answer or point you in the right direction even before I am. So if you can't find a link for something, or I don't know, anything that comes up during the semester, feel free to use the I Have a Question discussion board. It's not graded. There's no obligation to post here, but I just wanted to make you aware of it. I've also pointed you to legal dictionaries. The law has its own language. We sometimes use words that are just not used in everyday language. So feel free to use these legal dictionaries by entering the word or phrase that you've never heard before to learn the definition. I would rather you go to these sources than just use Google to find the answer. I love Google. If I need to find the directions anywhere, the time a store opens, the phone number to somebody, Google is wonderful. But I'm going to try to encourage you in this class to please use the resources that I provide you. Each week, the websites that I take you to are reputable and trustworthy and complete with the information that you need. You should not need to Google something on your own to understand a concept, but feel free to reach out to me with any questions. I've also given you help to other useful web links that I might ask you to look at during the course of the semester. I sometimes add to this during the semester as well. And the last thing I want to point out is this link called Announcements. If I click on Announcements now, there's actually nothing here. But by the time you see this video, there will be an announcement there because I will post an announcement welcoming you to the class. So every week, I will send out an announcement to the class, reminding you of the week, what's coming up this week, the deadlines, the topics, summarizing what we've done in the week prior. The announcements will also be sent directly to your MCC email address, so you'll be able to see it there. And then you can follow along with what's coming up during the week. So expect about one announcement per week. If other news comes up during the semester that I need to inform you about, I'll send out another announcement, but it's a nice way for me to communicate and blast something to everybody in the class. You can also check your grades in this class by clicking on My Grades. I'm not going to click on it because it looks a little funky on my computer, but you'll be able to see, track how you're doing in this class. Again, I really try to work hard to keep up to date on grading out of respect for you guys too. You're working hard to get your work to me. I'll work hard to get it back to you. All right, so that's really everything that I have to show you, I believe, in terms of navigating around the class. Please pay attention to the deadlines in the class, the material, and how to upload your assignments. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I really look forward to a great semester. This is one of my favorite classes to teach. I think all my classes are my favorite classes, but I love welcoming new students into the program. I love hearing from students in other majors or other disciplines that want to learn something about the law. You really enrich our class by being here, and I look forward to a great fall 2021 semester. All right, see you all on the discussion board in the next few days. Enjoy your last few days of summer.